shout out to Sharkblocks for covering this first. So yeah, original person who made a video about this is Sharkblocks. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a promo code that just came out. It will give you the Black Prince succulent headset. So the code will be in the description. You just copy and paste, but you can look right here, Joey Club Headphones 2020. I have no idea what that is. But yeah. And there's another code for this Gnarly Triangle. You go this will be in the description too. Yeah, Smith's Headphones 2020. Redeem code already redeemed. I've already redeemed it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.